Okay, next we will go to discuss about them some activities in your chapters in this book. Totally 4 activities. Okay, now already we learned about the activity 1. Okay, just recall. Take your book, all of you. Take page number 10, 11. Take page number 11. The first activity 1, the various modes of feeding. The foods and modes of feeding in animals. Okay, all of you take your pencil and write down the answer. Okay, name of animal, kind of food, mode of feeding. The first one, snail. Kind of food, grass. Mode of feeding, chewing. Ant, insects. Mode of feeding, scraping. Name of animal, eagle. Kind of food, flesh. Feeding, swallowing. Name of animal, hummingbird. Kind of food, nectar. Mode of feeding, sucking. Next one, lice. Food, blood. Feeding, sucking. Mosquito. Food, blood. Feeding, sucking. Butterfly. Nectar. Feeding, sucking. Housefly. Decaying matter. Feeding, breathing. So, all of you write in your pencil in table 2.1. Students, all of you write the answers. Okay, next activity 2. Next activity 2, book page number 13, table 2.2. Listen to observe the types and number of teeth. Types and number of teeth. Listen, take a piece of an apple or bread and eat it. Which teeth do you use for biting and cutting? And which one for piercing and tearing? Also find out the ones that are used for chewing and grinding. Record your observation, table 2.2. Okay. Look into a mirror. Use the index finger and feel the teeth. Count the number of incisors, canines, premolars and molars. Record your observations in the table below. Okay, listen. Types of teeth. 4 types of teeth. Incisors, canines, premolars and molars. Number of teeth, upper jaw and lower jaw. Total number of teeth. Okay, now I will tell the answer. Listen. Teeth. There are 4 types of teeth. Incisors, canines, premolars and molars. Incisors' main function, help in biting and cutting the food. Canines' main function, help in piercing and tearing the food. Next, premolars and molars, help in chewing and grinding the food. The same function. Premolars and molars, same function, help in chewing and grinding the food. Okay, write the answers in table 2.2. Types of teeth. Incisors. Incisors, lower jaw 4. Upper jaw 4. Total number of teeth 8. Next, canines. Lower jaw 2. Upper jaw 2. Total number of teeth 4. Premolars and molars. Lower jaw 10. Upper jaw 10. Total number of teeth 20. That's all. Okay, can you understand? Okay. Next, activity 3. Page number 14. In book page number 14. Activity 3. Effect of saliva on starch. Effect of saliva on starch. Okay, listen. Take 2 test tubes. Test tube A and test tube B. In one test tube, put some boiled rice. That is test tube A. Take test tube A, put some boiled rice. Test tube B. The another test tube means test tube B. Some boiled rice after chewing for 3 to 5 minutes. Add some water to both test tubes. Add some water to both test tubes. test tube A and test tube B. Okay, add some water to both test tubes. Then pour 2 to 3 drops of iodine solution in each test tube. Okay, pour 2 to 3 drops of iodine solution in each test tube. The boiled rice turns blue-black due to presence of starch. Boiled rice, which test tube? Test tube A. So, test tube A turns blue-black due to presence of starch. The cheeved rice does not turn blue. The cheeved rice does not turn blue-black because the saliva converted the starch into sugar. Test tube B. Look, test tube B. The cheeved rice does not turn blue-black because the saliva converted the starch into sugar. Okay. That's all. Can you understand? Okay, all of you see the diagram in your book, page number 14. Next activity 4, page number 15. Page number 15. Listen, to determine the different taste regions of tongue. To determine the different taste regions of the tongue. Tongue is a fleshy muscular organ attached at the back to the floor of the buccal cavity. Okay, tongue is a fleshy muscular organ attached at the back to the floor of the buccal cavity. Do you know the functions of the tongue? We use our tongue for talking. Besides, it mixes saliva with food during chewing and helping in swallowing food. Next, we also taste food with our tongue. Okay. It has taste buds detect the different taste of food. Okay, taste buds. Listen. To underline the word in your book, page number 14. It has taste buds that detect different taste of food. We can find out the position of taste buds. Okay. Next, prepare solution of sugar. Listen. Prepare solution of sugar. Common salt, lemon juice and juice of crushed neem leaves or bitter gourd. Use a clean toothpick and put each solution one by one on different areas of the tongue. Mark the areas of the tongue which could detect the sweet, salty, bitter and sour substances. All of you see the picture in video. In blue color, bitter. The blue color area, bitter taste. Next, green color area, sour. To identify the taste of sour. Next, purple color area, salty. Yellow color area, sweet. Can you understand? Okay. Next, see the diagram. Just see the diagram. The tongue has taste buds to detect different taste of food. The different regions of the tongue detect different tastes. Okay. The taste area on the human tongue. Sweet, first one sweet, salt, sour, bitter. See the diagram. The color of blue, bitter, green color sour, purplish color salty, then sweet. That's all. Okay. Okay students, that's all. Thank you.